Go on.
If I submit late,
Yes. Go on.
happens.
Your work is not accepted. The system rejects it.
What? But sometimes we send the work and it's not accepted.
Yeah, that's the problem. We try to send after, but you find it is even before, but you find it has failed.
Yes, we had a challenge there, but now it is sorted. We need to submit in our exams in time. We need to submit our exams in time. So this is today's paper, chemistry.
I
You
know,
are
but
supposed to do all the questions. That was
some of us have been using the phones of our parents and they are not around.
but by 7 p.m. they will be home.
Yes, and then
So this,
and now
yes.
on our phones we don't have like the Google Classroom app.
Who is that one? Who doesn't have Google Classroom app?
Infinix Smart 3.
Yes, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. You share your screen. Share your screen. I take you through that. Others, let's mute. Others, let's mute. Otherwise, I will mute all of you. Mute your microphone if you are not speaking. Infinix, share your screen.
Okay.
Yes, let's try to be quick. And those who don't have the app, we are doing the example here. So share your screen. You know how to do that?
It's my screen. It's not sharing.
I think, okay, I've enabled it now. Share screen. Share your screen.
Yes, I'm sharing.
And where you don't know, ask for guidance.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
so you
you
can
open,
continue.
you
Guide
open
me.
Play Store.
Yes.
Open Play Store. Open that Play Store.
Yes.
Yes, open Play Store.
I've opened.
Yes, search up there. Search for Google Classroom.
Yes, it's here.
Yes, click on it, then you search. Now install. Tap install.
I've tapped.
Yes, let it install. I see in the chat others are lost. I don't know why they are left. They are lost. Daphne, you can explain the need that you help. You are free to speak. Unmute and tell us. Daphne? Daphne? Daphne, please unmute and ask the help you need.
Okay.
Daphne?
Yes, sir.
Which help do you need?
Okay, master. It's like this. It's my first time to join, but now I'm really confused because I'm not getting anything.
If it is your first time to join, we are doing exams. We have been here for the whole month, so we are doing exams, and exams are supposed to be submitted in the Google Classroom.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, and here you are seeing we are directing a colleague on how to download the Google Classroom and find the exam. So follow.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Then Halima.
So you said we are handing in before 3 yet. The due date is tomorrow.
I've said
Some of us we
9
haven't
p.m.
handed in
9
by.
p.m. I've said 9 p.m.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Every day,
Okay, sir.
all the exams of that day, the late submission is 9 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So
Thank you.
Infinix Smart 3, your computer is taking longer. I mean your phone. Can we have someone else share screen as for Infinix is downloading? Who is ready? Has not the app, but would like to download it from today.
For us, we have the app.
Okay. I need someone who doesn't have the app, but would like to have guidance. Yes. Raise your hand if you would like to share screen and I guide you. Infinix B downloading. Timothy, you want to show us?
Sir,
Yes.
yes, I've just joined this lesson.
Okay. Can you share your screen and we have the Google Classroom app so that members are seeing how to access the exam?
Okay.
Yes, share your screen.
Da-da-da-da.
Timothy, are you sharing? Timothy is no longer speaking. Any other person willing to do this? Okay. Charity, can you show us where the exam is and then we call it a day? Charity? Charity? Charity and Lema? Yes, Galaxy? Members, we are too quiet. We don't need any help. If we don't need any help, I think we are okay. We can go ahead and do the paper and submit in time. Okay, I can see Galaxy is sharing screen. Okay, open Play Store. Open. Get started. Choose that email. Okay. Then from there, you can dismiss that. Then bottom right there on that plus, click on that plus to join class. Join class. Put the code, class code for senior 5 is TY PV letter P O P, something like that. TYP, then VP, 2P. Click join top right there. So that is our classroom. So you can look for, tap down here on classwork. So we are looking for chemistry. Okay. look for chemistry. No, you are going too far. You are going too far. You are going too far. End of month chemistry. Was it uploaded? Anyone who has seen chemistry on the platform?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, this is for senior 5.
Oh, okay. You can leave someone to show screen, another one to show us screen.
You are about starting now.
Someone show us the screen. We are supposed to enter the one for S3, not S5. Stop speaking Uganda, please speak English. Otherwise, we are going to mute you. Okay. Okay. You first go back and show us how you reached there. First go back through the formal steps. Okay. Stop sharing. Then share properly how you reached there. We want other colleagues to see. Share, and then you go the right procedure, how you go to the classroom. Okay. Open your classroom. Open classroom up. Open the classroom up. Then you open your class. Senior 3. Then go under classwork. Go under classwork at the bottom there. Then it is the one on top. Open it. Yes, scroll down. That is the paper. Open it. So that is the paper, members. We are supposed to do and attempt it before 3 p.m. Beyond 3 p.m., your work will not be accepted. Anyone with a question? I've shared the class codes in your chat section. Those who haven't reached there, the codes are there. Any other person with a question before we close off? If you have a question, raise your hand. If you have a question, raise your hand. Okay, I think we are okay. We can go and continue doing the paper. Have a great evening. Someone is confused in the chat. I'm confused. You said 9 a.m. Members, we said submission late is 9 p.m. today for the papers. Okay? Members, anyone with a question? Anyone with a query? Gloria, can you unmute and speak? Or Leila?
So,
Yes.
we don't know how to submit in our work.
Okay, I'm going to play for you a video that will guide you on how you can submit the work.
Teacher,
Yes.
should we write the questions or the answers?
You can write the question and an answer.
What about answer?
Or you name your work very well. You can number your work very well so that you know question 1A, these are the answers, 1B, 1C, like that. Alternatively, write a question and answer.
Okay.
So I'm sending these instructions in your WhatsApp, I mean on your Zoom chat. So I'm going to play for you a video on how you can submit your assignments, how you can submit your answers, and deadline is 3 p.m.
At night.
9 p.m. at night. 9 p.m. at night.
Okay, yeah.
That okay? 9 p.m. at night.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the video which I'm going to play.
Project
Hope so you
timelines,
can see
meeting,
my screen.
and
So the
work
video
events
is
are all in one place.
Students and parents, you will find the exam under Google Classroom. So you'll open Google Classroom app on your phone, which you have been using all along. And then you click on your class. You should be able to have already your class there, which you have been using to access the work. So you go under classwork, you will find there the exam called assessment. It is going to be there. Now, when you open, you will see the instructions there, and then you will see the question paper attached at the bottom. So what you have to do is you open that attachment, the question paper, and you'll be able to find the exam there. If you have a printer, you can print it out, but if you don't have, you just copy this down on a paper. You copy down the questions for each question you copy, and then you also fill in the answers. Okay, so now the child here is copying the exam as she writes down. If you have a printer, you can print out the paper and she writes on the paper. But in this case, she is just writing, copying from the phone as she does the exam. After you have filled in the answers, you come here and you click on add work. So there are many options here. You can use the upload option if you have another app for scanning, which you have when you have already scanned your work as a PDF. But you can use this other option here of scanner to scan from here direct. So you click on scanner. And when you click on scanner, it is going to ask you to scan your work. So you come here and you scan. If your work has many pages, you scan the first page like this. That is the first page. You press that tick. After you have scanned the first page, at the bottom here you click on this other button for plus, and you use that to add the second page. At the bottom, you add the second page of your work. Okay. So after you have added your second page, you also put a tick. You can rotate if it is not. You can add another page of your work. You can add another page. Okay. So you press the tick again. So you have all your pages added. 3 pages of your work. All of them are there. Then you click on save. So when you click on save, it is going to be added there as a PDF of the work that you have done. So when you do that, it is going to show you your work scanned, and then you click on turn in. You ask you, do you want to turn in? You say turn in. So there, it will turn in your work, and your work will be submitted for the teacher. That is how you are supposed to do the exam. Thank you.
Grammarly does.
So those who have questions, I think you have been answered on how you will submit your work. For those asking for the class code, I've already shared it on the chat. Just scroll up, you will see the class code. And in case you have totally failed, I'm sharing the codes. Actually, for all the classes, let me share them. Then pick only your class, and then we call it a day. So I've reshared the codes for the entire classes from nursery up to S5. Pick your class only. Pick the class code for your class. Any other question?